What's going on, everyone? This is Paul. Welcome back to a new video. This is the Spigen Easy Fit Screen Protector for the new Apple Watch Series 6, but it's also available for the 4 and the 5. Comes in 40 and 44mm. I'll leave it linked in the description down below so you can go over and check it out, and you can obviously purchase it for yourself through my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any extra and I get a little bit of a kickback. So without any further ado, let me show you how easy it is to fit. Also, don't forget, subscribe, turn the notifications on, really helps the channel out a lot. So without any further ado, let's jump into the unboxing experience. You've got the pull tab at the very top right here. Pull that open. I'll pull it around to the side so you guys can see. Another pull tab right here, and you just pull it all out. Okay, so in this part right here, what you've got is, you watch the installation video right here. Spigen, something you want. Thanks for choosing Spigen. Hashtag Team Spigen, of course. And if you take this out, what you've got is one screen protector already in there, ready to roll. Inside the adapter that you're going to need, then what you get is you get an extra one, so you get 2 in the package. And obviously you just place it there, put the Apple Watch inside, and it goes down like so. And then inside here, you've got your lens and screen clean and wipe right there, and of course a nice squeegee in which to flatten it on. You can either head over to Spigen's website and watch their video, or you can stay right here and I'm going to fit it right now. Okay, so what you do first is you start off by giving it a quick wipe over with the alcoholic wipe provided. Next up, you take the sticky bit of paper and remove any type of fragments, maybe like a microfiber fragment from the cloth or from any type of debris that might have fallen on the watch itself. And you just go over it, making sure it's all off and that the watch looks good. Next up, you take on the screen protector, peel off the little back label on the back, which peels off a little strip. Next up, you place it on top of the watch, inside the device that's provided for you. Go up once, maybe again if you feel it needs it, and then put that to one side, take up the watch, and then what you do is you push out from the center. It is a little bit tricky to start off with, but push out from the center, and there you go. Give it a quick wipe over with the microfiber, get any excess bubbles and stuff like that out. That you may see a few little bubbles, but just take them out. As you can see, there's a few on this one. We've managed to get most of them out. Then you give it a quick wipe over. You can see there's one still in the very top right there. So what you do is put the microfiber over it and give it another little push out with the squeegee. Add the microfiber and then try it with the squeegee. It normally does get it out, as long as it's not debris that's under the screen protector. But there you go, all fitted, nice and flush. So guys, that's how easy it is to fit the Spigen Easy Fit Screen Protector to the new Apple Watch Series 6. We also fitted it to the Series 4. It went on really well. I'll leave it linked in the description down below for you guys to check out. I'll leave the 40 and the 44mm link down there through my affiliate link. Won't cost you any extra. I get a little kickback. It won't cost you any extra whatsoever. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, everyone. I'll see you all soon.